Carr Surname Meaning and History presented by COADB.com. Surname meaning: it is an Irish surname derived from a shortened anglicized form of Ó Carra, meaning a descendant of Kerr, a personal name from the adjective corr, meaning pointed, as in this case a spear. It is also an English and Scottish variant of the surname Kerr, a topographic name for someone who lived by a marsh or swampy woodland, from the Middle English word kerr, meaning brushwood or wet ground. Early bearers include Thomas Carr, William at Carr, and John Del Carr, all in Yorkshire, England, in the year 1379. Knighthoods include Sir George Carr, Secretary of State in Ireland, in 1662, Sir Ralph Carr of Cockin, a Member of Parliament, in 1676, Sir Thomas Carr of Bedingham, Sheriff of Sussex, in 1800, Sir John Carr of the Middle Temple, in 1806, Sir Henry William Carr, Lieutenant Colonel, in 1815, and Sir William Ogle Carr, Chief Justice in Ceylon, in 1854. Noble titles held included Robert Carr. He was a politician and favorite of King James. He was elevated to the peerage in 1611 as Viscount Rochester, and was further elevated as Earl of Somerset in 1613. The Carr baronetcy of Sleaford in the county of Lincolnshire was a title in the baronetage of England created in 1611 for Sir Edward Carr, who was later Sheriff of Lincolnshire. Landed gentry included Carr of Cabers in County Roxburgh in Scotland, as well as Carr, formerly of Arnestown, in Stonehouse, Waterford, in Ireland. Notables include Emily Carr, born 1871, a Canadian artist and writer. Emma Perry Carr, born 1880, an American chemist. Benjamin Carr, born 1768, an American composer, singer, teacher, and music publisher. Rear Admiral William James Carr was an Australian naval officer, physician, and surgeon who served as the Royal Australian Navy's Director of Naval Medical Services from 1932 to 1946. And Eugene Asa Neil Carr, born 1830, a soldier in the United States Army and general in the Union Army during the American Civil War, who received the Medal of Honor. Early settlers include John Carr in Virginia in 1626, George Carr in Massachusetts in 1635, Robert Carr in Massachusetts in 1635, Caleb Carr in Rhode Island in 1635, Francis Carr in Virginia in 1653, Anthony Carr in Virginia in 1653, and Walter Carr in Maryland in 1662. And if you enjoyed this video, please visit us at COADB.com, where we offer genealogy research. Link in the description. Thank you very much.